everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to unlock the hidden power of something you almost definitely have in your kitchen right now, a simple lemon. Seriously, you might be shocked to find out how this little fruit can completely change your cleaning game.
So are you constantly fighting with stubborn grime around the house? And are you kind of sick of those chemical cleaners with the super strong fumes and that long list of warnings on the back? Well, what if I told you the solution is probably sitting in your fruit bowl?
That's right, we've got 10 powerful, all-natural, and frankly, surprisingly effective household hacks, and all you need is a lemon. These are super simple tricks that are going to save you time, money, and a whole lot of exposure to harsh chemicals.
Okay, let's kick things off right where the lemon feels most at home, the kitchen. We're about to tackle 3 super common kitchen problems, covering our first few hacks with this one fresh solution.
Oh, you know the feeling, right? You've been cooking up a storm and that garlic or onion smell just will not wash off your hands. Or maybe you look down and your favorite cutting board is all stained up. Sometimes soap just doesn't cut it, but a lemon will.
And you know, there's actually some cool science to this. For our first hack, just rub a cut lemon on your hands. The citric acid literally neutralizes those stinky sulfur compounds. And for hack number 2, take that same lemon half, rub it on your stained cutting board, let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then just rinse it off. The stains disappear and the board is disinfected. It really is that simple.
Okay, next up, the microwave. Come on, we've all been there. It looks like a food splatter war zone inside and everything's been baked on for days. The thought of scrubbing that thing feels like a workout you just don't want to do. Well, here is an actual magic trick for hack number 3. Slice up a lemon, toss it in a bowl of water, and pop it in the microwave on high for 3 minutes. The steam gets infused with all that citrusy goodness, and it coats every single surface, loosening up all that caked-on gunk. After it's done, you just wipe it clean, no scrubbing whatsoever. I mean, how amazing is that? All right, from the kitchen, let's head over to the laundry room. It turns out lemons are also a fantastic and gentle alternative to bleach when you're dealing with some of the most stubborn fabric stains. Now, what's really brilliant here is how the lemon's acid works with other things. Hack number 4 is for those annoying deodorant marks. Just rub a lemon on them before you toss the shirt in the wash. And for a really tough rust stain, this is hack number 5, it's a team effort. You put on lemon juice, sprinkle on some salt, and then lay the fabric out in the sun. It is amazing how these natural ingredients work together to get rid of stains you thought were there forever. Now, let's talk about getting that really satisfying sparkle. Lemons can be your non-toxic secret weapon for polishing up metals and purifying some of the smelliest spots in your home. I mean, just look at the comparison here. On one side, you've got the commercial cleaners with all their harsh chemicals and intense fumes, and on the other, you've got simple lemon juice, a natural acid that does the same job, dissolving all those hard water spots and rust, but it leaves behind a genuinely fresh scent. No contest.
So, how do you actually do it? Well, for hack number 6, to get your chrome faucet sparkling, just take a used lemon half and rub it right on the fixture. You'll actually see the hard water spots start to dissolve. And for hack number 7, to get rust off your cutlery, just put some lemon juice on the spots, let it sit for 5 minutes, and then use a little salt as a gentle scrubber. Good as new.
We've all dealt with this one. That mystery, not-so-pleasant smell coming out of the kitchen sink. Whether it's the drain or the garbage disposal, you really don't have to live with it. And this is a perfect way to use the entire lemon, which I love. For hack number 8, don't throw away the peels. Just drop them into your garbage disposal and run it for an instant blast of freshness. Then, for hack number 9, pour some lemon juice right down the drain, let it sit for about 15 minutes to cut through any gunk, and then flush it all out with hot water. And for our 10th and final hack, we are moving away from cleaning and into something completely different, pest control. This might just be the most surprising use of them all, turning a lemon into a simple, great-smelling, and all-natural insect repellent. Okay, this is so easy and so effective. You just take a lemon, slice it in half, and then stick a bunch of whole cloves into it. Place these little aromatic powerhouses near your windows, on your outdoor table, or anywhere else that flies and mosquitoes like to hang out. They absolutely hate the smell, but for you, it's just a lovely, natural fragrance. So if you're finding these tips useful, do me a quick favor and hit that like button, and subscribe to the channel. We are always breaking down practical info just like this to make your life just a little bit easier. And now I've got a question for you. Do you have a favorite lemon hack that we didn't get to? Or have you actually tried one of these? Let us know down in the comments. I'd really love to read what you've discovered. So let's do a quick recap. We've seen how this one thing from your pantry can whiten cutting boards, steam clean a microwave with zero effort, lift rust right out of fabric, polish your chrome fixtures till they sparkle, and even keep insects away naturally. It really is a secret weapon.
And really, that's the big takeaway, isn't it? These solutions are fresh, they're non-toxic, and they're so much better for the environment. So the next time you see a mess, maybe reach for a lemon first. It makes you wonder, what else is hiding in your kitchen with a secret superpower? Thanks for watching.